Hey guys, so this is making slime part 2, and yeah, so I'm just gonna get right into it, but first I'm gonna tell you all the things that I'm using. So first you need a container, then you need mixing sticks, bada bing bada boom, and then you need some paint, and most importantly, you need some glue. These are the two most important things. Glue and Tide. You don't have to use Tide, but like it's the best. I'm gonna tell you all the other things you can use. The worst thing that you can use, please never do this to yourself, is borax. Like where you like soak borax in water and then you use it for your activator. Never do that. Please. I'm begging you. You could also use like those islands, like eye drop things. Yeah. And yeah, I think that's it. So yeah. You could also use any other laundry soap as long as it has chemicals in it. Yeah. But I say Tide is the simplest and clean and fresh thing. No, that's literally what it says on here. Yeah. And if you have leftovers, you could just use it to clean yourself. No. Wait, what? Sorry, that was wrong. To clean your clothes. Let's get started though. So first I got my container. And I'm gonna fill it with some glue. Some glue. No. What was that? It was really weird. You should just see how much I filled up with. That's definitely good. Because the Tide's gonna make it even bigger. Yeah. Now we need some paint. I'm gonna use red because I like never do red. I'm just gonna change it up a little. This is my trying phase. Oh, it's coming out. That should be good. If it's not, I'll just add some more. No big deal. And then I'm gonna grab my stick and mix it up. Try not to get the paint on the side of the walls because then it's like torture trying to get it off. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. It's like not red. It's like pink. But it's rose. Yeah, it's rose. It's really pretty. That's like perfect. I love this. Sad thing is, it won't happen to you if you don't. You need to get clear Tide. I have blue Tide, which I wasn't thinking about. Yeah. So then what you're gonna do is pour some in here. It doesn't matter how much, because it only matters how much you put in. Yeah. So you're just gonna do a little bit at a time until it's the right consistency. See, they're turning this one. If it starts to get bubbly, I might recommend going in with your hands. I'm just gonna try. Mine's getting bubbly, but I'm just gonna try keep on mixing it, see what happens. It does not look pretty in the beginning. That's for sure. Oh, and you don't have to get clear Tide if you want blue slime. And you don't want to. Okay, this is actually a really good idea. You can save money if you want blue slime, and instead of buying paint, you just buy the activator. That's blue activator, and it will turn blue. I promise. gonna double stick it. That's why you need more than one stick. Because it needs to be strong. I'm gonna add some more. No. Oh, I don't know how this song just got stuck in my head. Holy, 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 okay, I'm gonna go in with my hands. So let's just, I don't know where to put the stick. I'm just gonna leave it on the ground, who cares? So I suggest you also have a paper towel next to you if you like your ground. I really don't like my floor though. So this isn't turning out too bad. It's kind of good. I recommend you just take a piece out, not the whole thing, and then just start kneading it with your hands. Okay. Now, once you have it in your hands, you don't pour it on it. You dip your finger in the Tide. That'll be easier for you and your life. Dip it again. The sun brightly shines. Like I said in part 1 slime making, it might stick to your hands because you are cold-blooded possibly. I am warm-blooded, so warm-blooded people, I don't know how, but like they're just meant to live with slime. It doesn't stick to them. And they just know how to get it off even if it does. I'm gonna get some more. Oh, it's getting all stringy because I had too much. Oh, perfect. Oh, wow, this is a really good slime. Perfect. Sorry if I'm moving too fast for you, but it's life. This is what I meant by, like, it's different on camera, but it's so pretty. Like, I love that it's not red. Because I'm not a big fan of red. Comment down below what your favorite color is. And since I'm so famous, the first person that comments their favorite color will get a reply. No, the first person that guesses my favorite color right will get a prize. If you watched my Q&A while cleaning my room, you'll know this. And you better go watch it if you haven't already. So you'll get a reply from the famous Emmanuel. Make sure you subscribe, guys, because then you can be notified every new video. Well, every once in a while video. But if you want to be notified on every single video, press that bell. And that should work. It's still a tiny bit sticky. I'm just going to put a tiny bit more. This is so perfect. Like, literally, it's so perfect. It's like the perfect consistent flaky. I can't say consistent consistently. Consistency. Consistency? 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 Contiscany? I can't say it! Yeah. But I know what I'm talking about, so it's all good. Just got some slime on the rug. Oh well. Love you learn. Not love you learn. You live you learn. Okay, now that I just grabbed all of the slime out of the thing, I'm adding some more Tide. By the way, if you're a professional thing, no, I'm just kidding. I use next video I might just call Tide Activator, because that's how we roll. What was that face? I'm so ugly. Okay. You need to unstick. Seriously, I talk to my slime. It's true, guys. It's so true. Listen to that beautiness. I love that sound. Literally love it. See, this, you should be able to roll it in a bowl without it sticking. And if you can do that, it means your slime is ready. Mine's completely ready. But you always want your slime to be still a little bit sticky. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah. And comment what you think my favorite color is. Okay, I don't even know if this will even fit in the container anymore. Let's see. Moment of truth. Yep. Fits perfectly. Okay. Peace.